What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can manage your Netflix profiles on your TV. This is very easy guys. Once you sign into Netflix on your TV, you need to go over to the left hand side. So just use your directional button on your remote to go to the left side, and here you'll find switch profiles. So by clicking on switch profiles, you're able to manage your existing Netflix account, and you can use that to switch between accounts. As you can see, there is one adult account and one kids account on this Netflix overall account, right? There's one adult profile and one kids profile on this Netflix account, right? And if you want to go into the profile, you just need to select it and click on that profile. I'm gonna go into the kids one right here, as you can see, as an example. And I will now switch back to the adult profile by going up to the left side, click and switch to the adult profile. Now, the next thing is that you can go into details on that account. So if I go to the top left again, click on switch profiles, you can now go to the left side on the profile, and there's a pencil icon that you can click on, and you have your name that you can always change. You can change the icon, which is the image. If you want to, for example, I can click on icon and I can switch this to something else. As you can see, these are some classic ones. These are some images, and yeah, you can basically change it to whatever you want, right? So these are some really cool ones from Beauty and Black, and you have some from movies and series and stuff like that, right? So you can always go ahead and just find something that you wish to, right? Let me see if I find anything interesting I could use. Yeah, just about anything, guys. You can choose whatever you want, right? So in this case, let's say I want to select Thor. I can select Thor as an example, right? And you can see it says, okay, you will change it. Let's do it. And the icon or the image is changing the profile. You also have your handle that you can change as well. You can click on handle and you can rename it, or you can generate a new one at the bottom right here if you want a new one. Once you do that, you will click on done. Languages for that profile you can change right here as well. Select a language of your choice. Once you do, you will be able to save that as well.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now, let's continue.
Right, and that's pretty much what you can do with this profile. Now, there's also more things you can do. For example, if you want to you select a profile, you want to click on get help, there are some interesting things that you can do. You have the members account, your device, network, contact, check your network and stuff like that, right? And you can even sign out of your entire Netflix account. So, but that's pretty much it, guys. This is what you can do from the TV perspective. So if you're looking for how to manage your profile, your Netflix profile from your TV, this is what you can actually do from the TV. There's more that you can do from the PC. So if you want to do anything more, anything extra, I recommend that you sign into Netflix on your TV, and you'll be able to do that.